the leaders.
Was his faith and courage. We are in a generation where people want to get rich very fast. People graduate today and tomorrow they want to have luxury. They want to earn, a lot of money to make life enjoyable. We are in a period of land grabbing. The children, when their parents die, they look at the land and they want to divide it. I take my piece, I take my piece, and they sell it, getting money out of that. We are in a period of corruption. And people go in an institution like this one, and the administrators and management conspire to swindle the resources, or to create artificial needs. Say we are going to have a workshop, so we will need some money for facilitation, I don't know what. People find ways of swindling and taking easy money. And this happens in institutions. I'm not saying that in Cyprus it's happening, but it's general, everybody knows. And we know what is going on now in Uganda, how people now are investigating corruption in parliament. It is not a secret, it is in the open. So people conspire to take what is not theirs. And sometimes we get bad services or shoddy services, like roads or buildings. Buildings, they are constructed and then they collapse. Why? Because they did not use all the material that they were supposed to use, or the quality of material to put up a structure. Then it succumbs and collapses. Why? Because the people who were responsible for that took part of the money which was supposed to consolidate that structure. That's the life we are in. And the graduates of this time have to go out with a difference. Those of Cyprus, you are going to take St. Francis. Today, 800 years after his death, St. Francis still has universal appeal. Christians and non-Christians look to Francis for justice, for real love, for care for others, a spirit that